Hello to all buyers from Stocklots. I'm Xavier. I'm in the Netherlands, in Maastricht, in our new warehouse for our new seller on the platform, which is Fonk. Fonk is a quite famous e-merchant in the Netherlands, specialized in selling furniture and decoration stuff all over Belgium and the Netherlands. They are selling through Stocklots now some of their returns, which are all customer returns grading. Very important thing, some screw may be missing. That's the only thing that you have to know. And I propose you to check some products. So there will be 4 job lots of around 4 pallets. And for buyers in the Netherlands, all the shipping quotation will be offered. Not only the quotation, but also the shipping will be offered. This is very important for Fonk and for you guys. So ask for shipping quotation, we'll give you, and this will be offered. So they are selling some sofas. There are diverse brands and diverse products. Some are from Brabantia, of which I'm seeing. Some are from Weber brands and some other brands that you may know. Just check the listing, check the Excel file. You can download it. You can also download the pictures, so you'll have everything you have to know on the products. So here is a sofas with we can see the tools, and this is it. We can check now a dustbin from the quite famous Brabantia brand. So here are the accessories, and here we can see that the bin is almost brand new. It's never been used, this is for sure. There's still the packaging, full packaging. And here are some of the notes. So this is kind of the products that you may receive in your job lots. So I advise you to bid on the job lots, to ask us any question on the chat, call us on our telephone, and ask us any questions that you want. We may see some other products. Here's a chair, another chair, but a major one. And so you can see the pallets, everything is very well palletized, very well protected. And some other, some chairs, some tables. I can see a barbecue there. Also another Brabantia brand. Here is a scale. Quality condition is, it's received some damages, but very small one. Only some scratches. There is a barbecue. So just to summarize, Fonk, a new seller on the platform, selling furniture and decoration stuff. You can bid on the job lots. There will be 4 job lots on the platform. For the Netherlands guys, and only for shipping to the Netherlands, the shipping cost will be offered by Stocklots. So please bid on the job lots. Ask us any question that you want on the chat or by phone. And I wish you very nice bidding. Bye-bye.